Hello, the other day we had 50-mile-per-hour winds, and I realized my solar panel was not going to make it through that if I didn't take it down, so we took the solar panel down. It was on the pole side and we ripped it apart. Brought the sectional analyzer can in, the meter in, there's my solar panel. Plus the other solar panel I took down several months ago. So we're going to build a super generator system here now. I don't know how to say it. So I got my meter, everything, and I'm going to do the circuit right, and we're going to build like street lights and everything, and make it work properly. So what we're going to do is pretty much make 4 smaller solar panels, somehow connect them all together, design some kind of circuit that goes into this. It's like all this works together like a Joule-Thie circuit, adds more and more power for each one, and then it goes in here, gets converted to high voltage after it goes to the meter, and that can go and power my line. I mean, there's a million things I'm going to try here. With that big bulky solar panel in one area was just not what I wanted, so I'm going to do 4 small solar panels, all feeding into this, with each having their own Joule-Thie circuit adding up to this. Got our meter to keep track of how much power we make. Stay tuned, we're going to do something you are not expecting with this. It's going to be very neat. So anyway, there you go. Have a good night.